Good morning guys, haven't made a video for a while, so I thought I'd open a random chart and talk about trend reversals. So we're on a 15-minute chart here. I had noticed the trend reversal on the 30-minute chart. You just draw an ascending trend line, apologies, and then just wait for a new trend in the opposite direction, high, low, lower, high. The minute that low's broken, that's a trend, and the good old RSI shows us the way as well on this 30-minute chart. Similar situation going on in the opposite direction, high, low, lower, high, lower, low, broken by a lower time frame trend. We can see there's a trend in place because of the red candle there. So all you have to do is establish where a trend is and then just wait for the reversal. RSI, you can clearly see, admittedly it's in hindsight after the event, once it's above the zero with that great big momentum above that 20 level, boom, price goes up. So if we draw these lines and analyze the chart on the 15-minute, then you can see a click going on. So this downtrend, here's your new uptrend, low, high, high, low. The minute that high is broken, that is officially an uptrend. Then wait for the RSI to do its stuff, bust up, pull back, break and close above the bust level, up she goes. There will be 3 candle reversals in there as well, but I don't want to get so technical at this point. This uptrend, we can tidy that up a little bit now. And don't forget, uptrends are always validated by new highs being broken by another new high. So this doesn't become a valid touch point until that is broken by that, and so on and so forth. And then once that's broken by that, you can see another valid touch point. Tongue-tied this morning. And then once again, final valid touch point. And these are so important, these points. That's new support, valid support according to my rules, because it's made a new high. The importance of that is that when you break that low, a valid support level, in other words, with a new trend, then you have reversed. And that's the critical thing that I don't often mention in these videos. That's the critical one. Not that, not that, not that. It's always about the last valid support in a downtrend being broken by a new trend, and then you can draw the level on there. And as you can see, now at this point here, we have a situation where there's a no-brainer trade in place. So once you can also then add additional sort of traditional support and resistance methods. A valid uptrend again, low, high, high, low, high, high. That's been broken. That's valid. That's a ascending trend line. Once broken by, there's a 3 candle reversal in there. There's your RSI histo. You can even draw ascending trend lines and descending trend lines on the histo to give yourself an additional sort of tick box if you want. So the histo works fantastically. Go and look at the videos about bust, break and close. Go and look at the videos about 3 candle reversals. There are multiple 3 candle reversals in here. Let's just have a look at 30 minutes, see what was going on. Yeah, there was the 3 candle reversal there, that candle there. We've got a scruffy looking up move here. So what we do is just add them all together, and the lowest point there, you would not want to draw your line, say on that candle. It's not the last high, that one is, that's the penultimate high. You would not want to draw your level on any of these, because if you intended then to trade straight into that, you'd probably have a little bit of a problem. So add them all together. That was the low, that's the 3 candle reversal, that's the retest of old support tested as new resistance, and then, as I said before, 3 candle reversal. In this instance, it's an engulfing 30-minute 3 candle reversal. That's the penultimate high, that's the ultimate high, and the new low that closes below the penultimate. That's the engulfer, and as you can see, you've got your RSI histo entry here, which is actually later than the 3 candle reversal, but it swings and roundabouts. Sometimes you get so you would have had to enter it after this close. That's the point I'm trying to make, using the RSI. But had you dropped to the 15-minute, then your break and close was in fact this one here. And the entry, which you often find, you get such tight entries with these momentum moves on the RSI. Amazing. The momentum move is that small candle there, and you'd normally expect the big candles to be that. Just let me double check that. But you see this so often, it's just phenomenal. In fact, the momentum candle was that one there. So I do apologise. It was the 3 candle reversal, which often happens. So what can I say? Just basic trend lines, basic trend analysis, basic support and resistance rules, which are mine in that effect. You often hear people talk about it has to make a new high. You'll always hear about them just drawing a random line somewhere. They'd probably treat this as support because it's got more touches, and that is utter rot in terms of what I do. It's all about the trend reversal, as I've tried to make clear here. New high, broke the new high, used the last level of support in the up move as resistance. That is your trend reversal. Then expect to get bounces off all of these other levels here, but the price should trickle on down to where the main part of the demand zone is, which is all of that lot there. So, and that stands to reason, because at the end of the day, how will they know whether this level down here will hold as support unless they test it? How will they know the buyers are still in control unless they ask them, as it were? Okay, thanks for watching. Have a great Sunday.